Hey, what's up, everybody? So anyway, here's what we got going on today. It is August 8th, and I haven't went over and updated y'all on the boat project. So here it is, and let's get to it. There's the boat. It's a Uniflyte, badass boat. My neighbor, he ended up going to a mooring ball, or he's gonna go to a mooring ball. He's out there on the ocean. So there's a bunch of shit off in here. Please excuse the mess, but I don't normally live like this. Well, no, I can't say I normally do live like this, but the thing is what's going on is all the construction. And as you can see, I've ripped off all the what is it called? The wallpaper that was on the walls. Ripped out the floor. Took out all the nails. I mean, there was like about 300 nails. Took out all the, and I'm probably going to redo this up a little bit better. Redo that a little bit better. I was going to cut this off, but then what happened is I was going to cut this out and then redo the wall, but what it is they put this I don't know what it's, this fiberglass to hold this in, and so this is all fiberglassed in, I think. Yeah, it is. It is all fiberglassed in, and so I got to figure something else out on what I'm gonna do, because in order to take this out, I'm gonna have to cut it, like that. I might still do it though, but it's already got it lined out. So all I have to do is go up there like that. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Yank that out. Those holes are still there. You can see that my roof, oh yeah, I took out thousands of staples out of this roof. I mean, like, you would not believe the amount of staples that were all up here. This is where I sleep at. It is what it is. There's that. A lot of wiring's missing because I ripped it out. Any wiring that I didn't, that's not being used, I ripped it out. Tore out the sink. I need to tear out that drain. I'll probably do that today. Need to work on that. What I plan on doing is putting a light in, and I don't know if I'm gonna put it in there. I don't know where I'm gonna put the light. I'm gonna put a light in, and I'm gonna put a clothes hanger to hang up my clothes, and then I'm probably gonna put 2 hangers in here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Put 2 hangers. Yeah. Because this is a small area, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll put in 1 hanger right here, and I'll put another hanger in there right there. Oh, right there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a hanger right here to right here. I'm gonna put another hanger in right here to right there, and yeah, that'll be good. Yep. I ought to just rip this whole thing out, but the thing is, man, I don't know how the heck I'd open up this. I mean, it would take too much time. Yanked all this out. Like, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and yank this sucker out, and I might still do it. Just now realized I didn't get that piece right there. Need to work on that for just a sec. I need to check. Yeah, gotta get that. Man, you don't understand how much effort and time has gone into, you know, this used to be the kitchen area. And man, it's been something else. It is what it is. I'll take you down there in just a sec. Go ahead and walk in here real quick. Oh yeah, took down all the wallpaper. That's why it looks all busted up the way it does look. You know. I mean, out of there. Gone. I'm gonna leave this ceiling in because it is it's all right, and I'm gonna put a patch there and a patch there, and I'm gonna figure out what kind of lighting I gotta put in here, and I'm probably gonna do some kind of rope light, and then I'm gonna put it on a switch and have the switch right here, mounted right here, and I'll have it coming off that box. I need to go ahead and, yep, I'll figure it out. Huh. Yanked this sink situation out of there. Need to do some work. Look at all that. Yanked all that out. And you come back through here and take care of that. Removed the lines that were all off in there. All lines were off in there. There was like 4 or 5 lines. I should have went over and put this up a little bit higher and then had another row. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, so here's the engine room. Let me go ahead and get that pulled out just real quick. Hold on just a sec. I don't feel too comfortable with this situation with this door leaning up against there like so. Get it leaning up this way. Man. All right. shit. Where'd that water come from? Huh. Wonder where that water came from. I'll probably figure it out. But here's the old engine, the old seized up engine, and tore out everything. I mean, just like, have you ever seen an engine room like this? I thought about taking out these gas tanks, but man, I'm probably not gonna do it because it's gonna be too freaking heavy. I wonder how much they weigh. Those are some big bitches. Like look at how much I've tore out of this sucker. I mean, it is a clean, I need to get that water up. I don't know where the heck that water came from. It probably happens. I went over and I don't know where it came from. But I mean, if you use to see how much work I've went over and took it out of this thing, man, it's like night and day. I mean, it is like freaking night and day. Wow. I've done a lot of work. I still need to fix this floor. And basically what I'm going to do is take off all these things right here. And then fix the floor up so that it'll be correct. Won't be all sunken in. Yep. This is a nice engine room like this. This engine, I can't stand this piece of junk. Well, I can't. I'm thinking about taking off these valves so that I can get this out of here. And I'll probably do that. Work on that one of these days. Yep. Holy schmoly. But so that's where everything's at. Man, it trips me out to look at all the work that I've done, that I put into the because like it has been a lot of work. So what I got going on right now is I need to finish up the that bedroom over there, and I just need to pull off a little bit of wallpaper. I need to get a little bit off the walls and get the walls all taken care of correctly. And then what I might do is talk to one of the guys that lives in the marina, and he does woodworking, and talk to him and ask him what he would suggest. And then from there, I'll go ahead and I'll do what he suggests. And yeah, it's coming along though. And then from there, I need to go ahead and, get the electrical all taken care of, get everything all settled in. Wow. Crazy. I didn't think that it was going to be this much work, but it is. All right. Well, y'all have a good day. Talk to you later.